Almighty in the Most High grants liberty only to those who love it and are always ready to defend it. Thousands laid down their lives to make our country breathe this day. To never forget their sacrifices, we celebrate this Independence Day. Good morning to one and all present over here. I, Pratna, feel so greatly honored to be a part of this great and special occasion. My heartiest welcome to our Honorable Principal Sister, Vice Principal Sister, respected teachers and all the lovely people present over here. It is a very auspicious and special day for all the Indians. As we all know, the pandemic time is in its influence, so we have made this celebration a virtual one. Let us not fight darkness, bring the light, and the darkness will disappear. Hence, to commemorate our historic independence, let's begin our day with a series of lovely events and programs conducted virtually. It's a great privilege to invite our principal sister, Sister Lisa, to unfurl our national flag, and let us all stand in our places and pay the tribute to our national heroes and the independent nation.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की
जय
भारत माता की
जय
स्वतंत्रता दिवस की
जय
स्वतंत्रता दिवस की
जय
जवाहरलाल नेहरू की
जय
जवाहरलाल नेहरू की
जय
देश की रक्षा कौन करेगा
हम करेंगे
देश की रक्षा कौन करेगा
हम करेंगे
जय हिंद
जय हिंद
देश की शान देश की हम संतान हैं, तीनों रंग से रंगा तिरंगा अपनी यही पहचान है. Thank you again. Next, I would like to invite our little Thomasian Om Prakash Naik of Standard 1 to deliver a speech on this auspicious day. Let us all give him a great energy with our clapping vibes.
Myself, Om Prakash Naik. I am in class standard 1. I study in St. Thomas Convent School. Good morning to all respected principal, honorable chief guest, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. At first, let me wish you all a very happy Independence Day. On 15th August 1947, we got independence from British rule. We should celebrate this day with great spirit. We should remember our great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lal Lajpat Rai, Lal Pal, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and others. A peaceful life that we are living today is just because of their sacrifices. Let's all work together to make our country the best country in the world. I would like to say that we must be proud to be So let's celebrate today with great joy. All thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, son. God bless you. Now, I would like to invite our prayer dance group and the patriotic song to dedicate the lovely song to our Almighty and the dance group named as Sugar Plums to make this lovely occasion smoothie in their pleasing voices. The videos will be shared by the admins. Please be attentive. Thank you. fantastic from the prayer dance group as well as from the patriotic song group. Thank you children, God bless you. Forwarding towards the next, I would not waste a single minute to invite our respected principal sister to address our children and us with her motivating words. Sister, please.
My dear students, parents and staff members. First of all, I convey my heartfelt greetings to you all on the 75th Independence Day of our nation. My dear students, Independence Day is a great day of national importance. From the day of its inception, the nation has been celebrating it with grandeur, gaiety, and enthusiasm. Although the prevailing pandemic has faded away some of its color and festivity, still the fervor of patriotism reigns in every Indian heart. The pandemic has feebly been successful, resisting the tide of patriotism. With schools shut due to pandemic, celebrations have shifted online with all kinds of events ranging from cultural performance to art exhibition are being planned digitally. Unlike previous years, celebrations have been restricted to virtual medium this year. My dear friends, 15th August holds an everlasting place in our national memory and commands the respect of every Indian. On this auspicious day, I would like to pay my tribute to all those lion-hearted freedom fighters who fought for our nation's unity, integrity, and independence. As a result, we inherit a nation with all sorts of comforts at the cost of their great discomforts and self-sacrifices. My dear friends, our nation has gone through many difficult times, including wars, and has emerged unscathed and victorious. Today, we are collectively facing a pandemic threat that has created global health crisis and has had a deep impact on our lives. These are difficult times when we must join our hands in a common endeavor with a strong belief that better days are ahead of us. Here I salute all our frontline warriors for working day and night relentlessly to give us freedom from fatal coronavirus. Dear students, ladies and gentlemen, the hallmark of our identity as Indian is the line that sums up everything, that is unity in diversity. We live in a land of diverse culture, religion, and language. There are 22 official languages and approximately 325 spoken languages. We live in harmony with people with different religious backgrounds, and all the festivals are celebrated with a great zeal and show. This is the beauty of our great India. Shouldn't we feel proud of it? After independence, our country has progressed in every dimension of life. Still, a lot needs to be done. There are several grave areas which require our immediate action. You are the leaders of tomorrow. Some of you will become doctors, some engineers, some teachers, and whatnot. But always remember one thing, that is, never compromise with your work principles and govern your life as an honest, responsible citizen of our country. It will then really be the dawn of our actual freedom. This is all from my side. Thank you for being a patient listener. Have a happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sister. Now proceeding forward, I would request the admin teachers to share the Candy Girls dance performance before everyone. Let us all enjoy.
कबीरा है मंगल गावे मनूप जी फुलवारी रे साजे गाजे बाजे गूंजे सपनोरी रे किलकारी रे बनूप वन अभिनंदन करता छाई घटा भनियारी रे शक्कर भांको झांकी झांको हुई जश्न की ये तैयारी रे मन हर जाओ धन बन जाओ धन सुखवारो जी रे
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो
कोई रोए तो आंसू चुरा के आंखों में हंसी भर देते हैं मुश्किल में रह के दूसरों का आसान सफर कर देते हैं ये मिट्टी कुछ ऐसी है जख्मों पे मरहम जैसी है इंसानियत की हवाओं में हम बहते हैं हमें भारत कहते हैं हमें भारत कहते हैं सीरत जो माथे पे लगाया इस मिट्टी का तो रंग बसंती छाए तुमने जो माथा दिल सीने से निकाल के जान दे चले आए हमें भारत कहते हैं हमें भारत कहते हैं
Wow, what a performance. Thank you, girls. God bless you. I would further proceed with a short sharing and motivating speech by a 10th class Damasian named Shraddha Shri Shubhikash Panda.
Honorable Principal Sister, respected teachers, our valued parents, and my dear friends. Today we have gathered over here to acknowledge the privilege of being born in India. We all really feel proud to be Indians. Nowadays we are free from the clutches of slavery, though centuries ago. This has become possible due to the supreme sacrifice of innumerable freedom fighters. However, on this day, we cannot afford to forget the sacrifice of many unusual heroes, those who have dealt with their time, energy, money, as well as their lives, as in case of Jallianwala Bagh massacre. A flower in bloom has a charm of its own. It has its radiance, softness, and fragrance. Boys and girls have in them the radiance of diversity. But we cannot let this independence get granted. So let's contribute for the development of our nation. My best wishes to all my friends, those who have engaged themselves like dedicated squirrels for the development of our country. So let's contribute for the development so that no other country can think to rule on us again. Thank you.
Thank you, son. God bless you. Proceeding forward, I would request Niranjana Madam to come forward and share few words to conclude our program.
A very good morning. A very good morning to one and all present here. respected principal, my dear teaching and non-teaching staff, parents, and my dear students. I feel proud to propose this vote of thanks on the behalf of St. Thomas Convent School. What a glorious way to show respect to our motherland and to all our freedom fighters, because of whom we all are standing here. So first of all, I would like to express my gratitude to all the freedom fighters who sacrificed everything for the independence of our country. I would like to express my deep sense of thankfulness to our beloved principal, Sister Lija. Our sister has always the backbone to our success. Thank you, sister, for being our motivation and inspiration. I would like to thank all teachers, staff members, non-teaching staff, and the student committee, extending their timely support to make the program a grand success. Thank you. My sincere thanks goes to all the participants of cultural programs for their artistic exhibition, and because of whom we got this musical and delightful morning. Last but not the least, I extend my sincere thanks to our most valued parents for their all-time support. Thank you, and wish you all a happy Independence Day. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, madam. So now, as we are concluding our program, we are presenting a beautiful video of the exhibition of the project work presented by our lovely students. It's a true dedication and hard work displaying the utmost creativity of our lovely children. Let us enjoy. Thank you.